Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can disable pop-ups and redirects for websites you visit through the Brave browser. So let us show you how to do it. Open the Brave web browser on your desktop computer or on your laptop, guys, and after that click into these lines in the top right and click into settings here, and inside your browser settings head over to privacy and security here on the left panel. After that click into site and shield settings there. And what you want to do after that, guys, is scroll down till you get to the content feature or section and click into pop-ups and redirects. And after that, simply select a rule. As you can see on default, there's no permission to websites to send these pop-ups and redirects, but you may switch to this option here. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects if you like. However, guys, if you'd like to disable it or these pop-ups and redirects, make sure that this option is enabled. Don't allow sites. You may also apply a custom rule to any of these rules here below, or apply custom exceptions, to one of these rules by clicking on that here and simply enter the given given website's URL here to add it as an exception and to allow only the specific website to send you pop-ups and redirects while maintaining this one of these options here. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.